Part 1. The Mysterious Dance of Light. Far beyond the boundaries of everyday reality, where the sky lowers to kiss the earth in an endless polar embrace, one of nature's greatest wonders unfolds. The Aurora Borealis, also known as the Northern Lights. This celestial display of colors and light is more than a mere natural phenomenon. It's a cosmic ballet, a light spectacle that tells a story of ancient times, of the subtle interplay between the sun and the earth, and of the continuous connection of everything in the universe. It begins far in the heart of the sun, in the fiery fusion furnace where particles of solar energy are born. During powerful solar storms, the sun ejects billions of these particles into space, creating what we call the solar wind. This stream of electrically charged particles travels toward Earth, carrying with it the potential for one of the most spectacular natural events. When solar particles reach Earth, their path is shaped by the planet's magnetic field, directing them toward the polar regions. There, high in the atmosphere, they meet with atoms and molecules of oxygen and nitrogen in a process that results in the release of energy in the form of light. This is the moment of the aurora's birth. Scientists have studied this process in detail, discovering that the colors we see reflect the type of gas involved in these light emissions. Green, purple, blue, and even rare red shades paint the sky in colors that vary depending on the altitude at which the interaction occurs. This play of colors is not just visually enchanting. It also provides valuable information about the composition of our atmosphere and the dynamics of solar storms. But the Northern Lights are not just a subject of scientific interest. Through the centuries, they have been woven into the cultures and mythologies of the peoples living near the polar circles. The Inuit, Scandinavians, and many other peoples have interpreted this light phenomenon in various ways, attributing its spiritual and mythological significances. From ancient beliefs that the lights are the souls of ancestors communicating with the living, to tales of celestial bridges built by gods, the Aurora Borealis has been a source of inspiration, awe, and admiration. Today, in the age of modern technologies and scientific achievements, the Northern Lights continue to attract the attention of people around the world. Their beauty draws tourists to the remotest corners of the world, from Iceland to Alaska, from Norway to Siberia, in search of the moment when the sky will dance in all its splendor. Photographers, scientists, adventurers, and dreamers. They all come together, sharing a common passion for this elusive natural spectacle. Yet what is it that makes the Northern Lights so magical, so irresistible to people from all corners of the globe? Perhaps it's in the way the Aurora Borealis serves as a reminder of the majesty of nature, its ability to awe us and remind us of our smallness in the vast cosmos. Every dance of light in the sky tells a story of distant spaces, of the winds of the sun, and of the mysterious forces that shape our universe. In today's busy life, it's easy to forget the wonders that surround us. But the Northern Lights invite us to slow down, look up, and marvel. They teach us the importance of preserving our environment, for only in places untouched by nature, far from the light pollution of cities, can we witness this spectacle in its full beauty. Aurora reminds us of the need to protect dark skies, preserve the wilderness, and respect our planet. Throughout history, the Northern Lights have been a source of inspiration for artists, poets, and musicians, attempting to capture their ephemeral beauty and convey the feelings they evoke. In contemporary culture, the Aurora Borealis continues to inspire science fiction, movies, literature, and art, serving as a bridge between science and imagination, between what we know and what we dream. As we look up at the sky, trying to decipher the meaning of these celestial lights, perhaps we should remember the words of ancient peoples who saw them as messages from the gods, reminders of loved ones, or even guides through the unknown. In any case, the Northern Lights are a gift from the universe, a wondrous phenomenon that connects us with ancient times, with distant spaces of the universe, and ultimately, with each other. As we conclude this first part of our journey through the mysterious world of the Northern Lights, let's wonder what else nature can reveal to us, what other secrets await to be discovered. In the next part, we will dive deeper into the culture and legends surrounding the Aurora Borealis, exploring how these lights shape the lives and communities of those living under their enchantment. Part 2. Culture and Legends of the Northern Lights, continued. Every flash in the sky, every change in formation or color tells a story woven into the soul of the northern peoples, shaping their legends, myths, and beliefs. In the far north, among the frozen tundras and dense forests, people such as the Sami, Inuit, and many Scandinavian communities have looked to the sky for answers, comfort, and even guidance for centuries. For the Sami, a people who have lived in harmony with nature and its cycles for centuries, the aurora was more than a light phenomenon. It was a spiritual presence, an entity that possessed power and meaning. They spoke of the lights as the souls of their ancestors dancing in the sky, offering wisdom and guidance to those on Earth. In Scandinavian mythologies, the northern lights were bridges to the divine, glittering paths that gods used to travel between worlds. These legends conveyed a sense of wonder and awe, but also a deep respect for nature and its unpredictable forces. The Inuit, people of the Arctic, had their own stories about the aurora, believing that the lights were the playgrounds of the spirits of animals they hunted. These stories served not only as an explanation for the light spectacle they could witness almost every night, but also as a reminder of the connection between humans, nature, and the spiritual world. While these cultures saw in the Aurora Borealis bridges to the divine, messages from ancestors or playgrounds of spirits, common to all these interpretations was a profound respect and admiration for this natural phenomenon. The northern lights were not just a visual spectacle. They were an integral part of their spiritual, cultural, and social lives, influencing art, religion, and even daily decisions. In modern times, the fascination with the northern lights continues to thrive. Crossing cultures and geographies, people from all over the world travel north in the hope of catching the moment when the sky will dance in its celestial rhythm. Tourism around the northern lights is booming, bringing with it challenges and opportunities for local communities. While attracting visitors, the aurora also serves as a reminder of the need for nature conservation and understanding the impact of human activities on our planet. Communities living near the polar circles have become aware of the importance of sustainable tourism, striving to balance the growing interest in this natural phenomenon with the need to protect their unique environment. Educating visitors on environmental issues, promoting responsible behavior, and supporting local economies are just some of the ways these communities are adapting to their role as guardians of one of the most beautiful natural wonders. As technology advances, providing us with new tools to explore and understand the northern lights, it also allows us to share this experience with those who may never have the chance to see aurora firsthand. Online broadcasts, high-resolution photographs, and virtual tours open up this magical world to a wider audience, spreading the wonder and inspiration that the northern lights can provide. But despite all our scientific achievements and technological innovations, the northern lights still retain their sense of mystery and wonder. They remind us of our smallness in the vast cosmic dance, our connection with nature and the universe, and the continuous need for wonder and exploration of the unknown. As we conclude this part of our story, we are left with a sense of gratitude for the incredible stories the northern lights continue to tell, for the wisdom and inspiration they provide, and for the inexhaustible beauty they bring into our lives. The northern lights are not just a light show in the sky. They are a mirror to our souls, a beacon in the night, and an eternal reminder of the wondrous complexity of our existence. Part 3, Science and Wonder, a journey through the polar lights. As the dawn of polar exploration fades into the twilight of the technological era, our fascination with the northern lights does not wane. Instead, it deepens with new discoveries and technological marvels that allow us not only to better understand this phenomenon, but also to experience it in entirely new ways. At the heart of this story are individuals whose passion for the aurora has crossed boundaries, turning the night sky into a canvas for their life's work. Take, for example, Dr. Elena, a leading scientist whose work on solar particles has revolutionized our understanding of the interaction between the sun and Earth's atmosphere. Her research, conducted in a secluded observatory deep in the heart of Norway, has provided key insights into how solar storms affect the appearance of the Aurora Borealis. Her ability to connect ancient legends with modern science lights the way to new discoveries. Then there's Alex, an adventurer and photographer whose stunning images of the northern lights have circled the globe. Alex has not just documented the beauty of this phenomenon. By traveling from Alaska to Siberia, he has brought the story of the importance of preserving dark skies to communities. Through his workshops and exhibitions, Alex shares his passion and knowledge, inspiring new generations to appreciate and preserve this natural wonder. With the help of technology, the reach of the northern lights is now broader than ever. Projects like Aurora Live, which streams the occurrence of the northern lights live over the internet, allow people around the world to be part of this magical experience, even from the comfort of their own homes. This accessibility not only increases awareness of the importance of preserving natural beauties, but also helps in building a global community of nature lovers, united by their common admiration for this phenomenon. As we move forward, we face the challenges posed by the modern world, from climate change to light pollution. However, stories like those of Alina and Alex remind us of the importance of our connection with nature and the role each of us can play in its conservation. The northern lights are not just a celestial spectacle, they are a call to action, a reminder that our responsibility towards the planet is as endless as the night sky. As this story ends, our journey through the world of the northern lights is just beginning. They remain an eternal reminder of the wonders that surround us, the scientific curiosity that drives us, and the deep connection we share with this incredible planet. May the northern lights always remind us to look up, to dream big, and to never stop seeking wonder in the world around us. As the curtain slowly lowers on our journey through the twinkling world of the northern lights, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for being part of this magical adventure. Your curiosity and passion for discovering the wonders of nature make this channel a lively and pulsating place where knowledge and admiration for nature meet. But our exploration does not stop here. I invite you to stay with us as we prepare to dive into the unexplored depths of natural phenomena that adorn our beautiful planet. From the mysterious depths of the oceans to the peaks that touch the clouds, the world around us is full of stories waiting to be told. If you like this video, please leave a like, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll be among the first to know when our next video on natural phenomena is published. Your support is what makes this channel possible, and I thank you for following us on this incredible odyssey through the natural beauties of our world. Until next time, may your curiosity lead you through life, always searching for what lies beyond the visible horizon. Thank you for watching, and see you soon with another incredible story about natural phenomena. Until then, take care and continue to look up.